I'm Madison Glassman at the WKRN.com alert desk. Just in, our sister station in Tampa reporting at least 9 people have been confirmed dead in the aftermath of Hurricane Ian. The deaths were confirmed in counties in southwest and central Florida. Some residents living in floodplains in Hillsborough County, including Tampa. This morning, they're being told they may need to make plans to evacuate if water levels there rise. About 2 million people in Florida are still without power this morning. Thousands of Floridians were trapped after Hurricane Ian destroyed homes and businesses. In Fort Myers, you can see rescue personnel searching this flooded trailer park after Hurricane Ian passed by the area. Hurricane Ian is setting its sights for the Carolinas now. Red flag warnings are up along the North Carolina coast. On Atlantic Beach, officials warning people to look out for flying debris. Virginia also now under a state of emergency. For breaking news around the clock, go to WKRN.com.